In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Google Slides. If you've ever wanted to make your presentations more engaging and dynamic with the addition of audio, you're in the right place. Adding music to your Google Slides can enhance your audience's experience and underscore the main themes of your presentation. Let's dive into it and make those slides come alive with sound. First things first, open up your Google Slides presentation. You can access it through your Google account. Just head over to your Google Drive and find the presentation you're working on. Now, it's time to locate the specific slide where you'd like to add your musical component. This could be the first slide to set the mood right from the start, or a particular slide that needs a little extra emphasis. Once you have your slide picked out, it's time to add the audio. Navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. Then scroll down and select Audio. This will open a new window where you can select an audio file. Here's a crucial note. You'll need to have already uploaded your audio file to Google Drive, because this step involves selecting an audio file directly from Drive. This could be a song, a sound effect, or any audio you think will complement your presentation effectively. Now that you've selected your desired audio file, click on the Select button. You'll notice an audio icon appearing on your slide. Depending on your presentation's design, you might want to move this icon around. You can resize or reposition it easily, just like any other object on your slide. This flexibility allows you to integrate the audio icon seamlessly into your slide's layout, ensuring it doesn't distract from your presentation's visuals. Once your audio icon is suitably placed, click on it to see the format options in the toolbar. Here, you have the option to personalize how and when the audio plays during your presentation. Under the playback settings, you'll see two important options: automatically and on click. If you want the music to start playing as soon as you switch to the slide, choose automatically. Alternatively, select on click if you prefer to manually control when the audio begins. And there you have it. With the options set, your music will play during your presentation just as you've configured it, providing that extra layer of engagement. Adding music not only makes your slides more captivating, but also helps in creating a memorable experience for your audience. So the next time you're working on a presentation, don't hesitate to make it more dynamic with some fitting tunes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your sonic slideshow.